right then. So open your browser, okay, and go to profstrainingsolutions.com. Okay, profstrainingsolutions.com, or just type Prof Training Solutions, okay, in Google. Once you type Prof Training Solutions, I mean, I have so many websites that people even get confused. All these ones are my websites. So this was the old one we're using. This is Prof StudyMate, and this is where I sell courses, right? So here I sell courses. This one is a new one I'm building, but I'm not done. I also have one where I only self-pass questions videos, but then this is what we are using now. This one is a high-tech AI software. Okay, so once you see profstrainingsolutions.com, that's the one you are going to. So you click it, and then you just go to get started. If you already have an account, you log in, right? So what you do is that, I mean, you can check how it works, but just go to get started. So once you click get started, you are now going to what? Create an account. Okay, so you enter your full name, your email, your phone number, your registration number. You select your program. Is it ICA? Is it CIT? Is it Addit ACCA or others? You select. Are you getting it? Then you select your way option. Okay, yours is not crash course. Crash course is intervention. So yours is what? Regular class. Are you getting it? But case study, you can choose special class. It doesn't really matter. So just go in and select regular class. Enter your what? Your password. That's create a password. You enter and re-enter. Then referral code. If somebody referred you, okay, this referral code is what you can use to make money. All right. So let's say that you copy your referral code and you give it to somebody. If the person signs up with us, if he's registering, he's going to put your referral code there. Then on your dashboard, each person you bring, if the person has paid for a course, it is going to appear on your dashboard that maybe 50 CDs has entered your account, right? You can decide to withdraw it or use it to pay for a course or a book or something. It depends. Then you agree to what the terms, and then you create your your account. But if you already have an account, you are just going to go to sign in. Do you understand? You are just going to sign in. So let me sign in, and then let's see how the sign in option looks like. Do you have any questions up to this point, or you are fine?
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
So when after reading the terms and conditions, there's no option to come back to the screen where you continue. Uh, Like I tried to do it on my phone the other day.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'll fix it. Because I'm the same person
Yes,
building.
please.
The app is still in what do we call it? It's still in production, right? So if you spot any issues, just let me know. I'll correct it. Because I'm building it
All right,
live.
sir.
It's still building. So okay. You said there's no way to go back to the screen.
Yes,
Okay, after you read.
yes.
Okay. You
That's
can still click the same get started. That's all.
and then it came for you to start afresh.
Yes. Because once you say you agree to the term, once you click the term, so what I can do is that I can make this open on a new window so that you still have what you have here. Now,
Yes.
assuming you want this on your phone or you want it on your computer, okay, just click the install button. Are you following? So I've done it in such a way that sometimes you don't even need to open your browser. So if you click install, are you getting it? It's going to install on your computer like a normal app will install. You see an install button has come. Are you all following? So once you click install, it will install on your computer and you can open it like any normal app. Let me show you something. You can see my taskbar, right? So look, you see I have the app here. It's like any normal Windows app. If I open it, see, it opens just like any other app that you would have installed from the Play Store or the App Store. You see it? Yeah. So I'm already logged in. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you all see that? I need
Yes, sir.
feedback. Yeah. So now that I've been able to log in, let's say that you had a problem, right? you had a problem, you can just reach out to any of us, just go, and the support team will be available, right? So the support team, you can chat me, chat Mabna, or chat Before Isaac, right? So once you click, it opens WhatsApp straight. Okay, on your phone, to the install button, it will keep worrying you on your screen unless you click it. Except iPhone, you have to click the button on Safari and go to add to home screen as an app before it will add to home screen. You know, iPhone, they almost send me some way. I wanted to use a 2.5 algorithm to work my way back in, but that would mean I'll be hacking Apple. I don't want to do that. So we just go the normal way, add to home screen. Now, how does the app work? Once you are in, okay, you will not see this admin because you are not admin. So far as you have registered now, you are all going to do a list of your emails and send to me. Now, what I'm going to do is I'll add you to the course. And once I add you to the course and you come, okay, for instance, if a strategic case study, okay, you come to the course. Once you click start learning, you see the course there. Once you click start learning, this is how. So if any video is uploaded, are you getting it? If any video is what? Uploaded, that's how you are going to see the video. Do you understand? Do you get it? That's how you're going to see the video like this. You can expand the video, it's to open full screen for you. Then you can play the video, right? And what I've done is that even on a slow internet connection, the video should be able to play. Can you see that? Can you see? So you see how it opens. So first of all, when we introduction to strategy, you can forward, you can do everything. You can even make a picture on picture. You can speed it up. Okay, increase the quality. Maybe you opened it, your network was not very good. You can open the quality, right? Choose the quality. You can speed it up. Maybe it's too slow for you. Okay, you can increase the speed. You see how I've sped it up. The benefit you are getting, then you won't buy. You see how I've sped it up. Benefit you are getting for 10 cities watch is so low, right? Can you see? Please give me feedback so I know you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you get the idea. The same way, your notes, okay? The same way your notes, I attach it to the lesson as a lesson. So you see theory lesson, introduction to strategy. You can see the notes so you can read. Maybe you are watching a video or you see a note, you don't understand something. The comment section down there, if you put it there, the reason why I put this comment section there is that if I put this thing there, okay, let's say that another person has the same question. Does the person have to ask again? No, because the question that you have put there, if somebody has answered it, there's no need for you to come and answer again. Do you understand? Does it make sense? So you just post your question and then I can, once I open the course and I'm uploading, I'll definitely see it, right? That's it. So I can include your notes. You see your PDFs, like today's lesson like this. I will include the whole lesson as a note for you together with today's video. So you see this, right? You come here, you come and learn. You can zoom it and then you read. You can jump to a particular page and then you read. That is it. So your note itself is part of this thing, right? And then every way I'll put quizzes there. So whatever we've done today, I'm going to create a quiz and attach it. So the quiz can come in the nature of putting short answers. It can come in the form of what? Multiple choice. It can come in the form of essay. It can come in the form of true or false. So once you answer, you submit the quiz. I'll see it on my dashboard and I can approve. Okay? Do you understand? So this is how your exam works, works. And maybe if you think you need AI assistance, you can just come. Somebody like Socratic Sarah, you can come and ask Socratic Sarah some questions. If you feel like you don't need Socratic Sarah, you can go back and choose another AI model, right? Maybe by Buddy Ben or maybe Prof StudyMate. And then you come and ask it, how do we do this? Maybe I want you to explain an Ansoff matrix for me. Okay, and then I just click. It will analyze the technical detail and give me everything I need to understand about Ansoff. Then you can use it to answer. So you see, for growth strategy, existing products, new product, existing market, right? You can see that, right? Market penetration, product development, market development. You can see that. Can you?
Yes.
Good. So this platform has been created specifically for you. Use it. Share dear. You understand? And making your learning so seamless and easy. So that's when you want to watch courses, right? Now let's come to assignment. So assuming I give an assignment, okay, you are going to see the assignment appear here. You click it, you download it, then you look at the assignment, you do it. A button for you to upload the assignment. Okay. Can you hear me? Do you guys get me? So when there's an assignment, you all get a notification in your email, and immediately you are approved onto a course. All of you are going to get emails automatically from the app telling you where to join and all that, right? So if you have bought a book like the soft copy, right? You come to library, you see all the books you have access to. You see here, my library is what? My library is empty, so I can explore the bookshop. Okay, and that would take me right into the bookshop where all the books that are available, I can buy them, right? So because I'm the author, for instance, let's say I bought business and revenue law, or let me say, case study. Yes, applying strategic models. Once I come here and I preview the book, I get it because I'm the owner of the book. You can see, right? The book will show here and I can read the book. Do you get it? So there's the book. You can see the book, right? It will appear. Maybe you can zoom it. Okay. Yeah, so this is where the book is. You can jump to specific pages. You have Buddy Ben here as your study way. Okay, you can ask it questions or copy a particular part and then what? Talk to it that, oh, I want you to explain this. I am finding difficulty understanding Porter's five forces, but this is what I have learned about it. Can you help me minimize, explain it in a simpler manner? Are you getting it? So the AI is everywhere. If you feel like you don't need Buddy Ben or the answer Buddy Ben is given, you can go with Socratic Sarah. You can go with Prof Precision. This guy is strict. He will insult you. Prof Steady Mate. You can go with Prof Steady Mate too, right? So I can close the AI companion. So this is how your books work. All right, so that is it. So anytime you buy a book, it appears in your library and you can always get access to it. Okay, now let's go to the exams. Exams is, yeah, you taking automated exams, right? So you can create an AI exam. So if you come and you want to create an AI exam, you choose your what? Your program, you state the course, then you go to the next step, right? And then it will ask you questions and you answer. You will choose the type of question, whether it's multiple choice or way. But the simulations are already embedded in your course. For instance, this is the most interesting aspect of the whole app. Now, let me explain why this is the most interesting aspect. You see, you can come here and come to mock exam, right? So mock exam, you will choose your course. Now, what course are we doing? Strategic case study. I can choose multiple choice. I want just 5 questions. Standard mock, 15 minutes. Start mock exam. Let the guy cook. So the AI is now going to cook the questions. Okay, once the AI cooks the questions, you are now going to answer, and the AI processes your answers. Please, are we following?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes.
now it says what? In strategic case study analysis, which of the following is the primary objective of conducting a SWOT analysis? So you bear with me. 1, to identify the company's market share percentage. 2, to evaluate internal strengths and weaknesses alongside external opportunities and threats. 3, to determine the company's annual revenue growth. 4, to establish competitor pricing strategy. What is the answer?
The answer is B.
B. Okay. Next question. Which of the following frameworks is most appropriate for analyzing a company's competitive positioning within an industry? 1, 5 forces. B, balance scorecard. 3, McKinsey. 4, Boston Consulting Group Matrix.
The 5 forces.
5 forces. Good. Next question. When evaluating strategic alternatives in a case study, what is the main benefit of scenario planning? 1, it guarantees accurate prediction of future market conditions. B, it eliminates the need for financial analysis. C, it helps people prepare for multiple possible future outcomes and reduces uncertainty in decision making. It replaces the need for stakeholder consultation. What is the answer? Creating multiple scenarios. What is the answer? I've even given you a clue. Scenario planning, creating multiple scenarios. Looking at what I've given,
You
which
get
one
to
do you
prepare
think?
from
multiple
Yes, to
possible
prepare
future
for
outcomes.
multiple possible future outcomes. Right? Good. Question 4. In strategic case study analysis, which stakeholder groups' interests must first be prioritized when formulating corporate strategy? Only shareholders and investors, only employees and management, all stakeholders, including shareholders, and only customers and competitors.
Shareholders.
You said, are you sure? Okay, let's select.
Shareholders and employees.
Which of the following is the best indicator that a strategic recommendation in a case study is implementable and realistic? The strategy requires no changes to current organizational structure. The strategy is supported by clear action plans, resource requirements, timelines, and measurable KPIs. The strategy is identical to competitive strategy. The strategy generates immediate profits without investment. Which of them is the
No,
answer?
B.
B. Yes.
B, so it's supported
It
by
should be
clear action
suitability.
plans.
It should be suitable, feasible, and acceptable, right? That's what this means.
Yeah.
Now let's check our
Done.
markings. Final marking script. We are waiting. Final marking script. They said we scored 80%. So, what was the analysis the AI gave us? The student demonstrates strong understanding of strategic case study frameworks and methodology, achieving 80% overall. The response shows solid grasp of SWOT, PESTEL, scenario planning, and implementation requirements. However, there's a critical gap in stakeholder management theory, suggesting the need for deeper study in modern corporate governance and stakeholder-centric strategy. So you saw where your weakness was, right? Stakeholders. And you see, anytime it gives you the answer, it still what? Explains why. Gives you the answer, it still explains why that model was chosen. But where you made the wrong, it says incorrect. Your answer reflects outdated shareholder primacy theory. In the past, shareholders were the key people to satisfy. Modern strategic management requires balancing interest of all stakeholders, including shareholders, employees,
Good.
customers, suppliers, and communities for sustainable long-term value created. Model answer: all stakeholders are very important now in modern strategic management. Away.
Thank you.
Does that make sense? So
Very.
you see how your platform is very, very, very interesting. Now, still on the simulations. So, for instance, this exam, I wouldn't want to, the AI exam is you yourself creating your own exam, right? But then, for instance, if I come to the simulation, so let's see, right now, I'm bored. Maybe I said, Charlie, Samuel, today let's go to war room. What does war room mean? War room means that you can what? You can go and practice on your own, or you can what? Practice with a friend. So I come to what? Strategic case study. And note, because case study is the only course maybe I'm assigning you to, you only see case study. But if you are doing other courses, you can only see your courses, right? I want to go 15 questions. I can practice with a friend. So if you want to practice with a friend, you host a room and then it will set up your war room. Then you can copy the war room code and give to your friend. So you see all the players in the lobby. Then you start the battle. For now, it's just me, right? Once I start the battle, you have like 21 seconds to answer each question, right? And you battle against each other. So if the thing comes here and you don't finish, it goes to the next person. So the thing will be giving both of you marks. You see how the war room works? You see, I have 0 point now. In strategic case, what is the primary purpose of conducting SWOT? Pa, minya, 1 mark, right? Yeah, a method for analyzing 5 forces, competitive intensity, pa, right? You see, now one yesterday, BCG, price and quality, market growth, relative market share. You see how it works? Question 4 out of 15, strategy, significance of identifying key stakeholders, right? You get the whole idea. So this is how it works, right? Yeah. So there are so many other aspects that you can look at. Are we okay? So that's the war room. Then quick fire is 15 seconds per question. It's a hangman game. There was another one where it kills the hunter when you don't get the correct answer, but that one takes a lot of memory because of the graphics, so I've taken it out. Then we have flashcard studio when you want to memorize. So let's say you choose your course, right? So once you choose your course, maybe how many cards do you want? You select your topic, then you generate pack. So this pack, it will ask you a question. Are you getting it? You say it, then you check the back whether you got it. What is strategic management? So I can say strategic management is the skill of what? The skill or what? Technique of what? formulation, uh, uh, formulation, implementation, and evaluation of cross-functional decisions, right, to achieve organizational objectives. Then you now click the card, and it says, for the process of setting goals, analyzing competitive environment, implementing strategies, and achieving sustainable competitive advantage. Did you get it? Almost. So you move to the next one, define corporate governance. So here you are testing active recall. Do you understand? Until bad, then you try to recall. If you don't get it, or if you get it, you go and check what they said. If you are close, you are close. If you didn't get it, you try again. What are the 3 levels of strategy? Okay, what are they? Corporate level, business level, operational level, or functional level. Yes, corporate strategy, overall company direction, business strategy, competitive position, functional strategy, department specific tactics. Did you get it? Yes, I got it. So I've gotten 1 out of 10. What is SWOT analysis? A technique for identifying opportunities and threats and matching them against internal strengths and weaknesses. A planning to identify strength, got it. I've gotten 2 out of 10. What is strategic management? That's come again. So you see what you missed the first time. Asamba biome to see whether you remember. Assuming we're going to be uncanny, yeah, almost. It will keep it for you. Stakeholder engagement. Did you get it? I got it. The marks. What is 4 test 5 forces? So these things are things that if you are bored crying, you go and you try to recall. It is even better learning than having a book in front of you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you see the platform?
Interactive.
So here you can create a study plan for yourself. You can go through. Then we have AI tutors. So AI tutors, maybe you can't afford the normal class, right? The AI tutors, those who sign up for class will get these ones for free. But there are some other AI tutors where you have to pay for. I haven't created them yet because I have to model them with all my knowledge. Even these ones, they have all my knowledge, right? Then we have the OCR solver. Okay, this one is where you have some document, maybe you want to understand it, you can upload that document. Let's say maybe the course is strategic case study, right? I can browse the file. Let's say I want to browse a file or add a file for it to what? Maybe explain for me. Do I have okay. So let me just bring interest rate swap document for strategic case study, right? Then it will analyze the document. So this AI will now read the document that you have, and it will be extracting the questions, it will be generating model answers, it will be finalizing its analysis. I get to reading, but don't give it too much of a big document. You know, database has constraints or RLS policies, right? Simple, something simple, maybe a question you don't understand. You can just take a shot. I get to make it a PDF and upload it. Then it will give you all that you are expected to know within this. Do you understand? So, yes. So,
Sir,
yes, please.
I wanted to ask you, like the last time, now say that if the past questions,
Mhm.
maybe you could have had a place in the software
I have a
where
place in
all the past.
software where all the past questions are, but now I don't want to
Yeah.
release it yet. It's model by model. I have a past question hub where
Okay.
the AI, all the past questions are there. You try your hands on it, and the AI also teaches you why the solution is like this. I have all those things on the app, but we don't release when you are doing apps, you don't release all the features once. Otherwise, some parts may break. It's gradual. Do you understand? Because that one requires a lot of
Okay.
technical analysis, I have to use languages like Python or even Rust. Do you get it? To create a RAG analysis, which we call
Okay.
retrieval augmented analysis or retrieval augmented generation model, to study and understand the way our questions are set. Do you get it? And it requires a lot of work, even though it's done. If I start putting it in the app, it can affect other sides of the app, but it's there. I've just not pushed it yet. So once people have started using all these functions and everything is working well, then I can push those models there. There are so many games in the simulation part. I've taken
Okay.
out. But ni nyinaa wɔ hɔ.
Okay.
Ni nyinaa wɔ mu.
Back to you.
Yeah. So you see the document that I just uploaded. You see the way it has extracted the questions and it has even given you a model. The question didn't have answer, but it has given you what? An answer. Do you get it? If the CD weakens, this, after a fixed rate at maturity, you read, you go through, you understand. I get it. Then you are done. You can ask a further questions around the answer it uploaded. Do you see? Then we have the voice coach. So the voice coach is you ask a questions, and it can help you out. Okay. So this is the voice coach. So the voice coach has so many ways. There's free talk where you can come and you select your course and then you start talking, or you can go to interview.
Interview practice mode. I'll ask exam style questions one at a time and give quick feedback after each answer. Select your course and tap the mic when you're ready.
So you just go and select your course. So let's say strategic case study. So I have selected my course. So you see here there was a mistake. Instead of course, it came as calls, right? So I suggested a box if you feel like whatever you said, the mic didn't capture it correctly, right? You can come here, come and edit it. Okay, then you click send, and then you're on your way.
Perfect. Welcome to interview practice mode for strategic case study. I'm ready to test your knowledge with exam style questions. Just speak your answers naturally, and I'll give you quick feedback before moving to the next question. Let's begin. Question 1. Explain the key difference between a corporate strategy and a business unit strategy, and give a practical example of how they might differ for a multi-divisional company. Take your time and speak clearly. I'm ready when you are.
You get it. You can even go to quiz me and quiz me.
Mode.
It will
I'll
ask you
fire
questions, then you'll be
at you
answering
one by one.
one by one.
Answer verbally, and I'll confirm right or wrong with a short explanation.
You can even go to explain and explain.
Explain
Name any
mode.
topic.
Name any topic from your course and I'll break it down clearly. Select your course, tap the mic, and tell me what to explain.
That's all. Do you understand? Yeah, so if you want to buy books, you come to the bookshop, you come and buy your books. Okay. Course bundles, I haven't created them yet. This is where you can get everything bundled in one. We have the AI market where you come and buy AI tutors. Are you getting it? So if you order anything, you see your orders here. Are you getting it? So you see orders that are pending. If it's completed, you see it. Then the live studio, you will not be needing this, but it's for the lecturers. Okay. So the live studio, if you come, you see yours. You are supposed to go to meetings. So if there's a class, you come to meetings, you see all the meetings that are there, like this one, right? You see the meeting. So the meeting will be loading here. This is where you come and join your class. Zoom link will not be shared. From next week, nobody's going to share Zoom link. Okay, so anytime there's a class, you get a notification in your email. You click, it takes you here. You click, it opens Zoom on your machine or your phone, and you join. Nobody's going to share any Zoom link with anybody to join. This thing detects, I have made it such that it detects Zoom on your phone. And then once you click join meeting, it takes you right to the Zoom. You understand the Zoom app, yeah. Then forums, make use of the forums. Like I told you, be doing discussions, right? You can create forums for each of the or each of the groups. Are you getting it? And then you use it to study. So here's where you chat among each other. So you can explore that. Mentorship, not now, not now. I'm still holding on to it. I don't see how important this will be, but this is where you are struggling with a particular topic and you need help. You can apply for a mentor. You agree the price, you pay, you schedule a date and you meet, but not now. I don't really need it now. Then we have the leaderboard. Okay, who is that trying to compete with me? The guy should be steady. So this is how the app works, right? So it ranks people, all right? So the more you do things on the app, the more you get rankings, and the more you get rankings, the more the chances of winning prizes, all right? So we have challenges that the app gives you. Okay, so just follow the challenges and you'll be earning more marks. So Weekend Warrior, complete 3 quizzes. We have Deep Diver, Study 10 lessons, AI Apprentice, Mood Talker, Exam Crasher, Social Butterfly, and Paper Slayer. Then each of the lessons you complete, if you reach a certain level, you get what? You get a rank. Okay, so we have a novice who has 100 points, mastermind who has gotten 1,000 and above, true, consistent, steady. We have those who are elite performers who have reached 5,000 points and above to top tier. We have legend of the ledger who has about 15,000 points achievement, and weekend warrior. So the app actually ranks you in your trophy room. I get it. For now, I'm around 5K. I'm at elite. Do you understand? So as I'm going and I get more points, this is my point. But because I'm an admin, you guys will not see I'm topping everybody because it's my own app. So I have tried everything. Then we have steady meet. So the steady meet is where you go and look for friends, right? So if you come, you can look for friends. Okay, this one says 79 March. I get it. You can come to the Global Students Directory. You see anybody maybe you want to reach out to. Budu AEC Gabriel, you can reach out to him. Hi Budu, my name is maybe Samuel Amponsa. I am doing this course, strategic case study, and I feel that maybe you can be my accountability partner. If you are interested, kindly reach out and do you get the idea? Then you chat with the person, then you agree. You can create a forum and be studying there. Do you understand? Then let's go to classrooms. So you see the WhatsApp we are using, we won't be using WhatsApp again. I get it. So all those who after you register, right? You just send me your emails. If I add you, you will automatically be added to the strategic case study classroom. Okay. And that's where we'll be doing our magic so that you feel special. Okay. So this is your classroom. Anything that happens here, whether class will come on, class will not come on, our discussions will all be held here. If you go to members, you can see all the people in the classroom. Okay. You can just click to message them and directly it takes you to what? It takes you to their inbox for you to what? Message them. Do you understand? Can even manage to search students, right? Students I can add to the class or remove from the class. Do you understand? Do you understand? So anybody you check, you can just go and message that person or even tag. Now in the classroom, if we don't understand something and we are speaking, you can invoke the AI. Say at AI, are you getting it? And then you talk to the AI. Okay, what is pastel? And the AI will respond. So you see in the classroom, the AI tutor is thinking about what to say about pastel because he's in the classroom itself. Good. So see the AI has explained within our classroom itself. All right. So this is what I wanted to offer you. Something out of this world. Okay, and those are the things you see. The free resources, I'm going to put our YouTube videos and other free materials there to help people who maybe cannot afford classes and stuff. But this is all you need within the app itself. But your classes, you just go to my courses, you go to start learning. I get it. So the course you attach like this one, you go to your class and you just click start learning and it will open the modal for you to start learning, right? And that is all about how this app works. It's